How to make Channelume luminous LED. Equipment and materials needed to make Channelume luminous LED. CNC router or CO2 laser engraving machine, bending machine, acrylic sheet, PVC board, Channelume coil material, LED flexible light strip, acrylic adhesive sealant, engraving acrylic panel and PVC bottom plate. The engraving of the panel and the bottom plate usually use a CNC router or laser engraving machine. The different engraving effects will be shown on the two different devices. Effect of CNC router. Different R angle values are produced by different knives diameter. Effect of CO2 laser engraving machine. The engraving effects of the two inner corners produces two different perimeter dimensions. It will have an impact on the subsequent order. Rimmed. In order to show the influence of different engraving processes on the size of the ring, the built-in bending process of the bending machine software is matched according to the actual cutting of the panel and the bottom plate. The corresponding cutting process and the diameter of the engraving knives are selected. The software automatically calculates the rim size and perfectly matches the panel. The encoder and software form a closed-loop system to prevent dimensional errors. Slotting tool with alloy milling cutter. Double-side slotting with swing cutter. According to the angle of graphics, the software automatically calculates the angle of the milling cutter to avoid lead leakage. User can also send to single-side slotting. The slot height. The reverse angle only bends without slots in the software. Seal extension is also can be set in the software for the lap joint process at the seal. Rotary bending blades, rounded process of material contact, no bending marks on the surface of the material. Servo drive system for fast and precise bending. Panel installation. Insert the card panel into the rim and bond it with acrylic adhesive to complete the shell creation. The installation of LED flexible light strip and bottom plate. Put the LED flexible strip on the bottom plate and fixing it with adhesive. Put the bottom plate on the back of the shell, and the outside is fixed with sealant.